You recorded the training video, you sent it to the whole team, and 3 weeks later, the same person's messaging you asking how to run a report. So, training videos or in-app guidance? Which one actually works? Training videos are good at one thing: context. Before anyone's touched the new software, a video can explain why the process exists, what problem it solves, and how it fits into the bigger picture of someone's role. That part generally works. People retain why better when they see it explained, not just reading it in a document. But here's where it breaks down. The video lives outside the tool. It sits in a shared drive or an LMS, disconnected from the actual screen someone's looking at. Then, 3 weeks later, when they're staring at a report builder trying to remember which filter to apply, nobody's first instinct is, let me go find that 12-minute video and scrub through it. In-app guidance works differently. Instead of living in a shared drive, the guide lives inside the software itself. So the moment someone hesitates on a screen, the answer's right there, not 3 clicks and a search away. Picture someone stuck approving a request in Workday. Instead of hunting for the onboarding video from 6 weeks ago, a guide pops up right on that screen. It walks them through the exact 3 clicks, and they're done in 10 seconds. No searching, no scrubbing, no Slack message to you. This is exactly what Tango's built for. You capture the workflow once, straight from the person who already knows how it's done. No separate scripting or filming required. And then Tango turns that into a step-by-step guide that lives right inside Workday, Salesforce, or whatever tool your team is actually using. The video still has its place for day 1 context. But for the day 21 question, there's no video to go find and no ticket to file. The guide's already sitting on the exact screen where the question comes up. It's not really video versus in-app guidance because they both have their place. The video sets the context once, at the start. The in-app guidance shows up every time after that, for as long as the process exists, without anyone having to remember where it lives. This is video 304 in how to roll out new software. Next up, the full enablement stack IT teams are actually running in 2026. You can try Tango for free at tango.ai. I'm Mark, let's Tango.